Have you been thinking lately on where to purchase a real estate building with your Pi coin? Your worries has come to an end. This is because Eagle Grove Limited is here for you. Eagle Groves Limited are delighted to bring to your notice that we now accept Pi as payment for real estate.
We have different residential buildings, fully detached lands, and so more for sale. Some of the building here is a 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex with BQ standing, a 3-bedroom bungalow penthouse stand alone with BQ, and also a 5-bedroom fully detached duplex with BQ. Not only that, we have lands too for sale.
The fascinating thing about Eagle Grove Limited is that we agreed to the consensus price of $314,159 per Pi.
What you are seeing now is a tip of the iceberg. There are top 10 things to do when you need to bring your dream home beauty. 1. Call Eagles Grove Limited, and they will handle the remaining 9. Contact Mrs. Vivian. +2 3 4 806 8008 594. You can also send a message via email to eaglegrove@gmail.com. Visit us at Suite 128 and Suite 129, Business Throne Plaza, Plot 1092, Joseph Deacon Walk Street, Cadastral Zone B18 Gudu, Abowager.